I'm just playing you, right? Now, for you. I don't know what to do. Anything I want. I don't want to play my brothers and I can make something again. I'm baffled. It's boring. Let's try to go to the bathroom there. I just in the bathroom now. Okay, it's so noisy. I'm going to take the baby. He's crying. I don't know. Take you and take you to do anything you want. And I don't know. Okay. What? What?
What are you doing?
Nothing. Okay, now. Nature. No, I'm not taking a picture. What are you doing?
What are you doing?
What are you doing? No!
Go play now. Okay?